Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. For the first time, the Jamaica Gospel Song 2020 album is available on international streaming platforms. The announcement was made by Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport Olivia Grange recently. Minister Grange stated that the moment she heard the songs, she knew that they had the potential to go far beyond the competition and was committed to facilitating the realization of that vision. She added that she made the commitment to the artists and is proud to say, mission completed. This international release of the gospel album follows closely on the successful release of the Jamaica Festival Song album, which peaked at number 11 on the iTunes Reggae album start in July. The gospel song compilation consists of 10 tracks, with the number one being this year's competition winner, Trisha Williams, with One Dose of the Holy Ghost. The gospel album is now on Apple Music, on iTunes, Deezer, Spotify, and Amazon. The album was produced by the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission as part of the annual Independence celebrations. Legendary reggae producer Edward Bunny Striker Lee Sr. has died. The prolific reggae and dub pioneer is known for cultivating the rhythms of reggae and dub while working with some of the island's biggest names in the industry. Lee was one of the first producers to work with Bob Marley's band, The Wailers, as well as with other reggae stars including Sly and Robbie, Buju Banton, and Beenie Man. The legend produced the first album for Beenie Man titled The Invincible Beenie Man, the 10-year-old DJ Wonder. Now in 2008, he was awarded the Order of Distinction by the Jamaican government in recognition for his contribution to Jamaican music. A documentary film was later released dubbed I Am the Gorgon, Bunny Striker Lee and the Roots of Reggae. The documentary tells the story of Lee's life from childhood to becoming a legendary producer. E-Prime sends their condolences to Bunny Striker Lee and his family and friends during this time. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.